Michael Vandergrift, MCV Realty Group.
Just to help our team grow and help our clients so much better, in this, Hello again, everyone. Just out here doing my realtor stuff. Got to run by. Got these two new builds here on Meriwether and Weatherstone here that some of the funny things you can run into in real estate is lender and appraisers, and they're subject to this property. We're trying to close here soon on both these for a couple clients of ours, and the appraiser made it subject to the lawn being installed. So the lawn is installed now, which typically on a new build is done after occupancy is issued and the homeowner takes possession. So on this one it's a little bit weird. So now my question is, and I've got to find out from Lancia, is who's going to water this, because it's very important. And I always tell clients on new builds, it's very important in the first 6 weeks of your grass to make sure it stays wet and watered. So my next mission is, now that I've recorded this, is to go find out how that is going to happen for my clients so that their grass properly grows in. So everyone make it a great day, and grace and peace.